Are you having trouble with the IELTS writing tasks? Let's break it down. Here we have some useful tips for you that would help you ace your writing score. Hello everyone, welcome to the Problem and Solution series Reel 5. Let's get started. The problem number 1, misunderstanding the task. So read the question carefully and also understand the task which is given in the topic. For example, if it's an opinion essay, then ensure that you state your opinion clearly in the essay. The problem number 2 is difficulty in organizing your thoughts. You should plan your response carefully and outline all the main points and supporting details. You should ensure that you brainstorm the topic before you start writing the essay. The problem number 3 is unclear writing. So make sure you write clearly and concisely. Avoid long complex sentences to confuse the reader. The problem number 4 is grammar and spelling errors. Make sure that your sentences are grammatically correct and you do not make spelling errors. So I hope these tips would really be useful to you and you would use these strategies to boost your IELTS writing score. So practice all these tips to get your desired band. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.